Laugh and Learn English, the funniest way to fluency. Welcome to Laugh and Learn English, where humor meets learning to make your English journey unforgettable. This masterclass is not your typical language course. We combine laughter, creativity, and real-life English to ensure that learning becomes an exciting adventure. By the end of this course, you won't just be fluent, you'll be confident, casual, and ready to joke around in English, just like a native speaker. Course overview. The Laugh and Learn English Masterclass is all about infusing humor into your learning process. We'll teach you the essential skills needed for fluency, like using idioms, phrases, slang, and proper pronunciation, all while having a great time. Through comedic lessons, you'll understand the nuances of English culture, improve your vocabulary, and confidently use English in everyday conversations. Our approach is simple: learn and laugh your way to fluency. Course objectives. By completing this course, you will master conversational English with confidence and humor. You'll be able to start, maintain, and end conversations with ease using natural and playful English that reflects your personality. Whether it's discussing your day or telling a joke, you'll be ready to chat with anyone. Use idioms, slang, and phrases like a native speaker. English is full of quirky expressions and slang that can make conversations more fun. From "what's up" to "that's the last straw." We'll teach you to understand and use idioms, slang, and phrases seamlessly in your speech. You'll sound like a pro. Improve your vocabulary through jokes, puns, and stories. Expanding your vocabulary doesn't have to be a chore. We'll introduce you to new words and expressions by laughing our way through jokes, puns, and funny stories. It's the most entertaining way to learn new vocabulary that sticks. Understand and use English in real-life casual settings with ease. Master English as it's spoken in everyday situations, from ordering coffee at a cafe to chatting with friends about your weekend plans. We focus on language you'll actually use, not just textbook phrases. Develop your storytelling and joke-telling skills. Being able to tell a good story or a funny joke is a huge asset in any language. This course teaches you how to master storytelling techniques so you can engage and entertain others while using correct and casual English. Course breakdown in modules. Module 1, Getting Started, Funny Introductions and Icebreakers. Lesson overview. We'll kick off by teaching you fun and creative ways to introduce yourself. We'll show you how humor can ease any awkwardness and get you speaking confidently from day one. Activity. Share your unique and funny self-introduction with the class. Key skills: confidence, casual conversation, humor in communication. Module 2, Idioms and Expressions. Laughing your way to fluency. Lesson overview. Learn popular English idioms and how they're used in daily conversations. We'll show you how to use expressions like break the ice, hit the nail on the head, and more. Activity. Interpret idioms literally and figuratively through drawings and skits. Key skills: idiomatic language, figurative speech, and creativity. Module 3, Jokes and Puns. Laugh to remember. Lesson overview. Learn how jokes and puns can boost your vocabulary. We'll explore common puns and wordplay so you can use them naturally in conversations. Activity. Create and share your own jokes or puns with the class. Key skills: wordplay, humor as a language tool, vocabulary expansion. Module 4, Slang and Casual Conversations. Lesson overview. Master the casual, laid-back language of native speakers by learning slang and everyday phrases. We'll guide you through understanding common expressions you'll hear in real-life English. Activity. Practice casual dialogues using slang, like ordering coffee, making small talk, or chatting about your day. Key skills: understanding slang, engaging in casual conversations. Module 5, Pronunciation, Fun with Phonetics and Tongue Twisters. Lesson overview. Improve your pronunciation through fun tongue twisters and exercises. By laughing at how tricky English can sound, you'll master tricky sounds and words with ease. Activity. Participate in a class tongue twister challenge and laugh together while learning. Key skills: clear pronunciation, stress patterns, fluency. Module 6, Comedy and Storytelling, Engaging Conversations and Performances. Lesson overview. You'll learn how to tell a story with a punchline and use humor to keep listeners engaged. This lesson focuses on creating funny, memorable stories using everyday language. Write and perform a funny short story or skit for the class. Key skills: storytelling, engaging an audience, confidence in public speaking.